How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what I'm talking about is this inbox icon not showing. Now, when you head over there, you can text your friends, you can text different people, you can text different pages. So everything will just stay at the inbox section. But if you don't find it, this is how you fix it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your app store and then search for an update of TikTok. Head over to search, simply type in TikTok and you should find TikTok. Open it up, and if you see an update button like this, simply tap on update and your problem should basically get fixed. But if that does not work, you can head over to TikTok again, long press on it, and you will see clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache and your cache will get cleared. After doing that, you can head over to settings, head over to general, and then head over to iPhone storage. Now inside this, you will need to find TikTok. So simply search for TikTok and open it up again. Now you will need to offload the app. After you offload it, just reinstall it. After doing everything, what this will do is your TikTok will have new update, and everything that was not needed before, such as the cache memory and stuff like that, it'll just clear out. After doing that, your direct message should be here. If that does not work, you can head over to the hamburger icon on the top right here, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down all the way, and here you will see report a problem. Tap on this and then report a problem to TikTok. After doing that, your problem will get fixed, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.